Natural gas daily forecast, September 27th, fxempire.com. Nat gas markets had a very bullish session on Wednesday, as you can see. We managed to even break above the last swing high. The reason we have this chart kind of spread out the way a little farther than we normally do is because we want to bring to your attention the fact that we are seeing a little bit of a rounded bottom, and this is a major reversal signal if it can complete. This wouldn't be until we got above 340 though, because you can see that's the top of it. And essentially what you do is you measure from the bottom to the top, um, and that would be your projected target. We think that once you get over 350, there's no doubt at that point in time that the market's changed. It is switching to an uptrend. We don't like, however, being involved in this market to the long side until we get there. We see that yes, it's building pressure, but there are so many potential minefields out there, especially when you start looking at supply and demand. When it comes to nat gas, we just don't want to short it outright in the futures market yet. In fact, we actually prefer CFDs, of course, if you have that ability, because you cut down your leverage. And if you don't have that, perhaps binaries or even options, depending on which exchanges you run through. This allows you to take part in a move to the upside without all of the volatility and at least understanding that your risk is definitely capped. The same can be said for the downside, really. If you feel that it's going to fall or if we get some type of resistive candle, you can sell options from up in this area. You can sell the calls up in that area and benefit from the time decay over these options. In the long run, though, we do think that something's starting to happen in this market. The fact that we have made a new high, and really when you kind of zoom out at it, you're starting to see that we really could see the beginning of something pretty big, but the fundamentals don't necessarily line up with us. We're not big fans of it quite yet.